Welcome to the ADEA Academic Dental Careers Fellowship Program. We hope this presentation will give you a general understanding of the program and to perhaps spark your interest in becoming involved in one of these roles at your institution. The ADEA Academic Dental Careers Fellowship Program, or ADCFP, was founded in 2006 with the goal of discovering and growing tomorrow's dental faculty and researchers by providing current faculty with tools to mentor allied, advanced education and pre-doctoral dental students and help them develop their plans for pursuing an academic career. The statistics on the ADCFP: to date, there have been 67 institutions and over 1,500 fellows who have graduated from this program. Surveys of the participants show this to be a very rewarding program for everyone, and the faculty talk a lot about their own mentoring development during this program. These are the elements we will review: the purpose, the components, the poster session, and the ADCFP toolkit. This program connects dental, allied dental, and resident fellows with faculty mentors to provide the fellow with insight into the day-to-day life of a faculty educator or researcher. It provides mentoring tools to faculty, and the program also provides each academic dental institution a flexible framework that functions as a window for fellows into the day-to-day life and experiences of dental faculty at academic dental institutions through one-on-one mentorship. These are the program objectives. For fellows, it provides fellows the opportunity to explore academia and engage in teaching or research projects. It expands the peer and professional networks of fellows and enhances engagement with their faculty. For faculty or institutions, it improves institutions' capacity to broaden their pipeline of students interested in academic dentistry and research. It enhances faculty members' ability to implement and foster a culture of teaching and research excellence at their institution, as well as the ability to provide mentoring. It also enhances faculty development. There are three different roles at each institution: the liaisons, the mentors, and the students or residents who are fellows. The liaison can also be a mentor. Each institution can have 1 to 2 liaisons whose role is to communicate with ADEA, the mentors, and the students. They do not oversee the day-to-day working of the mentors. The dean or academic dean or equivalent is involved in the selection at the institution of the ADEA ADCFP liaison. The mentors can be assigned by the institution or developed between students and faculty, depending on how the institution would like to do this. The mentors and fellows must make themselves known to the liaison. The fellows may be assigned or self-selected depending on the wishes of the institution. Engagement in this process may be an additional activity or may count towards an elective or a selective, depending on the wishes of the institution. Each institution is strongly encouraged to tailor the ADEA ADCFP to their own needs, creating a unique program. These are the required ADEA ADCFP components. First, there is an action plan, which is developed by the fellow. There are twice monthly meetings between the fellow and the mentor. There are 2 career reflection essays, one at the start and one at the conclusion of the program. The fellow also holds faculty or administrator interviews, and there is a practicum, and this is either in teaching or research. There is an ADEA ADCFP final portfolio. And there is also the poster presentation, and this is optional for the students. This takes place at the ADEA annual session and exhibition, where there is also a celebration with certificates. The ADCFP Fellow Guide. Fellows complete the action plan. The program can be 1 or 2 years in length. They meet twice monthly with their mentor, and they can complete a research project or a practicum in research or a practicum in education. Each institution can design a unique process, including the required elements, and can add in desired components to the program. So practicum examples. In teaching, the fellows can work on developing a syllabus, course objectives, or a lecture, a lunch and learn for students, or develop an assessment tool. Research practicum examples. They could design a new project or work on current faculty mentor projects, or they could have a lunch and learn for students. The ADEA ADCFP Toolkit, which is available on the website. Overview and FAQ. Examples of an application checklist, an action plan, reflection questions, faculty interview questions, a research practicum, a teaching practicum, and a template for the final ADEA ADCFP poster. Each institution may decide to hold a poster presentation session or competition at their own institution. The ADCFP Fellows show their posters at the ADEA annual session and exhibition, and this differs from the ADEA student poster presentations in that the ADCFP is not a peer-reviewed process. Funding for students to attend the ADEA annual session and exhibition is not provided by ADEA. However, there is a low-cost registration available to students, residents, and fellows. The liaison might consider selecting a predetermined number of students to attend the annual session and exhibition, and then having a selection process which could be combined with a poster session at the institution. This concludes the presentation. There is more information on our website, and you may use our email address for any questions. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you.